Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Kia Stinger rear bumper. First, ensure you have a trim removal tool, a 10mm socket wrench, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start by opening the trunk and carefully removing the 2 plastic clips and 2 screws located along the top edge of the bumper, near the trunk latch. These are usually visible and straightforward to access. Next, move to the rear wheel wells. On each side, you'll find 3 screws that secure the bumper to the fender liner. Carefully remove these screws. Then, get underneath the vehicle. There are typically 4 to 6 plastic clips and 2 bolts along the bottom edge of the bumper that need to be removed. A trim tool is very helpful for these clips. Now, it's time to address the taillights. Open the trunk and remove the 2 nuts holding each taillight in place. Gently pull the taillight straight back to release it, then disconnect its electrical connector. Behind where the taillights were, you will find 1 or 2 additional screws or clips on each side that secure the bumper to the body. With all fasteners removed, the bumper is ready to come off. Starting from one side, gently pull the bumper outwards to release it from its clips. Work your way around to the other side, being careful not to force it. Before completely detaching, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for parking sensors or license plate lights. The bumper should now be free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.